personified villain.
It up like Kane in his prime. Fuck with us, you insane in the mind. You cowards way out of line. Money talk, boy, you wasting my time. You don't wanna put the work in, you just want a taste of the shine. Real talk, so it's hard to trust. I'm in it for the long ride, like I drive a chartered bus. Scars and blood from the deadly bars I bust. And all we trust, the army body bombs off us. Blog about it, naysayer, you can hardly doubt it. Who's the best, who's the worst? We can argue hours. Running through Soldier Field, I'm Jordan Howard. Nowadays they respect money more than power. Money, power, respect, we all want some. I ain't waiting, I needed it one lump sum. Made man trade hands with young guns. They stopped manufacturing the cloth that I'm cut from.
I be laughing at the beef as though I'm body shaming exes. Only time you set trip is when you binge on Netflix. Reckless, running up like yes, so listen please. Alright, I like the beat, except the snare kicking keys. Jeez, I teach but I kill him when the class on. So I got no pupils like Spidey with the mask on. Generally speaking, each rhyme is 5-star. Split personality, I ride with a sidecar. I can't think of the rhyme, it must be misplaced. It's on the tip of my tongue like Stan Smith's face. Hold on, something about a fly sound and how you got no bars like a dry town, so pipe down. The beat bumps like bad skin. Capping gonna teach stuff. Shout to Craig, man, that's the line, yo. Let the mind take you where the cameras can't. It's very necessary like a Q-tip Grammy rant.
Was imminent.
Doing jet lag, good afternoon, or is that night? Militants speak proper, some airheads say they act white. Caps flight, bread good, so he tends to pack light. Got jokes, but usually don't engage in no snap fight. Could be considered a waste confronting snakes on the backbite. Detrimental to cultures that they like sight. Ass wipe, catch him on stage, mad hype with a trash mic. Month later in the gutter, glass pipe and a flashlight. Looking around for something, it's still scurry. Bewildered, incite riots, minds going blurry. There wasn't really shit to say, much to their chagrin or dismay. The licks had him on the ropes, then he made a big mistake and hit the hay. Went home and hit the day. Burn the midnight oil and flip the shit a different way. Disaster, time is a component. Setting fire to rappers in a monumental moment. And the game's potent, it's like a never-ending quotient. A minute ago it was smiles and hugs, now where the fuck the dough went? It's so bent, it's like he set the shit straight again. Bombs from the drop and he ain't even close to saying when. Villain, nothing ever stolen. Was given as a blessing, think the universe owe him. Got faith in the vessel but no one to keep rowing. Yeah, and get about your own way when delivering the poem. Those who think they do, don't know them. No different than a squad of birds ready to blow them. Sorry, Charles.